Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. We're looking at the 10th grade multiple choice contest. That's right, it's the Cayley from the year 2004, and we're on question number 19, I see. So 19, a half plus, okay, now it's 2 to the 1 over 2 to the 2, so this is 2 over 4, which is just a half, plus 2 squared over 2 cubed, so that's 4 over 8, that's another half. Okay, so it looks like we're just adding halves. All the way up to 2 to the 2003 over 2 to the 2004, which again will just be a half, is equal to, alright, so we've got some possibilities here. So first things first, as I have already sort of noted, each of these, each of the sort of fractions that we're adding up look like this. Okay, but that's the same as 2 to the I times 2 to the negative I plus 1, just if you know your exponent laws, I'm just showing you how this works. And since they have the same base, we can add them up. So I minus 1, that'll be 2 to the minus 1, and that's really just 1 half. So each of these is 1 half. So we're really just doing a half, plus a half, all the way to plus a half. So we're adding up a whole bunch of halves. We're adding the same number multiple times. That's what multiplication is for. So if I knew how many halves we were adding up, just multiply that number by a half, and we're done. Okay, if we need to, we can even use our calculator. So how many halves do we have? I just realized what I said. How many halves do we have? All right, so what do we got? Well, we've got sort of, just to use exponent notation, we've got 1 over 2. And then 2 to the 1 over 2 to the 2. And we're going to keep going, and we can count these quite quickly by counting the exponent in the denominator. 1, 2, the third one, 4, 5, all the way up to 2004. There are 2004 of these fractions. So we have 2004 halves, so that's 2004 times a half. And what's a half of 2004? 1002. And I think that was A. Let's just go back and double check. Is that A? Yes, it was. Good memory. All right. So there we go. That was question 19. Not that bad at all. As long as we understood fractions and exponents, this one wasn't really a complication at all, I don't think. Okay, so we got one more question in part B, and then we'll move on to part C, and that's question number 20. But we'll look at that in the next video. Thanks for watching.